all working codes in Volleyball's Legends. Let's get straight to the codes and redeem every single one of these new working codes in Volleyball Legends. Let's start off with the update codes. We get the first update code. Don't miss out on any of these codes, because otherwise you will not get every single one of these rewards. We got the UPD 15_8 update 1. There you have it. You get the update 1 code, 1.5 I mean. Boom, already redeemed. So this is one of the codes that you would like to have to redeem in the game. If you go to your styles, you can get the new secret Maya Twins. The new Maya Twins, it's a secret pity. And if you would like to have an extra slot, you can actually get yourself an extra slot right now by commenting the secret war. Okay, the first thing that you need to comment is gear, okay, free gear. There you go, free gear. That's what you want to comment, free gear, and you can actually get yourself an extra slot in Volleyball Legends. But actually we have to redeem the next code, so fill up the code bar, fill up the code. Don't forget to like the video, okay? I see you. If you don't like the video, it will actually not even work. Oh, Johnny, I see you, okay? Like the video right now, otherwise it will not work and everybody will blame you. So this is the code. Twins are here. This is the next code that you're shown to redeem in Volleyball Legends. This code grants you massive lucky spins, okay? Massive lucky spins. The next code is 600k underscore members. 600k members. And I'm not gonna explain what else is massive to you guys, but you have to imagine it for yourself. And we got the next code, balance. Balance. Don't forget to redeem code balance as well, because this game is perfectly balanced, okay? Perfectly balanced. Block King, okay? Block King. Block King, it's one of the codes that everybody already redeemed, but some of you guys might actually never knew this code existed. Just like Yak King, okay? Yak King is gone. He's never to be found again. Shield Breaker. I mean Yak King. Breaker. Shield Breaker. That is the next code for a bunch of lucky spins. Shield Breaker. 400 million visits. Wait, is it visits? I think it's visits. No, it's not visits. It's lizards. No, it's not lizards. It's visits. Oh, I almost got it. Visits. Oh, that's what it is. It's visits. Yeah, that's what it was all along. That is the code. Make sure to redeem. Next code will be upgrade ability. Wait, upgrade 14, update 14. Secret ability. Oh, this is the code, update 14 code, and then we have secret code. We got one secret code ability. One secret ability code right here. Redeem this secret ability code and you'll get free secret style.